The Israeli government has advanced a plan to register large areas of the occupied West Bank as state land, a move Palestinians have condemned as de facto annexation. For the first time since Israel's occupation of the territory in 1967, this plan establishes a mechanism to officially record vast swaths of land under state ownership. Israel's foreign ministry described the initiative as an administrative measure aimed at bringing order to land registration. However, government ministers made clear that the broader goal is to strengthen Israel's control over the West Bank and expand settlements. Far-right Finance Minister Bezalel Smotrich referred to the land registry as part of the settlement and governance revolution across all parts of our land, using the biblical term Judea and Samaria for the West Bank. Justice Minister Yariv Levin added that Israel is committed to strengthening its hold over all parts of our land, and that this decision reflects that commitment. The new land registration process will apply specifically to Area C, which comprises roughly 60% of the West Bank. Area C is home to an estimated 180,000 to 300,000 Palestinians, alongside at least 325,500 Israeli settlers, according to the Israeli human rights organization B'Tselem. The Palestinian presidency condemned the measure, saying it violates international law and amounts to de facto annexation of occupied Palestinian territory. A statement from the President's office described the initiative as a declaration of annexation plans intended to entrench the occupation through illegal settlement activity. Israel captured the West Bank from Jordan in the 1967 war and has since established Jewish settlements in the territory. These settlements are considered illegal under international law by the United Nations and much of the international community. The UN continues to recognize the West Bank and East Jerusalem as occupied territory, which the Palestinians aim to establish as part of a future state. Peace Now, an Israeli settlement watchdog, described the government's move as a massive land grab in the West Bank, completely against the will of the people and contrary to Israel's best interests. The organization warned that the process would dispose thousands of Palestinians, as landowners would be required to prove ownership in ways that are almost impossible for most Palestinians. If they fail, the land will automatically be registered as state property. This measure follows a recent decision by Israel's Security Cabinet to expand Israeli governance over the West Bank, which drew widespread international criticism. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres called the move a flagrant violation of international law, while the European Union described it as a step in the wrong direction. Despite US President Donald Trump's stated opposition to annexation of the West Bank, Israel has approved this plan. Peace Now accused the Israeli government of acting contrary to the US position, stating, "Netanyahu is carrying it out right under your nose." In summary, Israel's new land registration initiative in Area C is designed to formalize state control over large parts of the West Bank, facilitate settlement expansion, and place substantial hurdles on Palestinians seeking to prove ownership. The move has drawn condemnation from Palestinians, international bodies, and human rights groups, highlighting its potential impact on the region's political and humanitarian landscape.